Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Monica. I like to do makeup tutorials, review, or just whatever I can think of. As you can see, I have a bare face today. I have a special guest who's gonna be doing my makeup. Whew, I'm nervous. Anyways, I'm also gonna be announcing the winner for the Huda Beauty, so make sure you watch the entire video to see who won it. Alrighty guys, my special guest is, drum roll please, my daughter Cherry.
Hey guys!
So she's gonna be doing my full face. Let's get started.
So when you do the shape, you want to make sure it's precise. It's sharp, you know, it's banging, okay?
Tell them what you're doing.
Alright.
I said I wasn't gonna look, but I saw it.
Don't make, okay, I'm shaping the eyebrows, okay?
Okay, she's shaping my eyebrows.
Yes. Gotta make that line sharp. Yes, girl.
Do you even watch my tutorial?
No.
Okay. Alrighty then.
You know, I gotta fill it in now, cause there's... Alright.
I'm gonna try not to look, that way I can see the final makeup, the final look. You're not gonna do my other one? It's just gonna be a half face?
Yes.
I said full face.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the other eyebrow. This eyebrow's gonna look snatched too, you know? You gotta get the ombre effect, you feel me?
Ooh, the ombre effect. How'd you know that? I don't know.
Now that our eyebrows are nice and bushy,
Nice and bushy.
nice and full. Now that our eyebrows are nice and full, we're going to be taking this brush.
What is that?
Mac. Mac. It's a voice crack. Mac 212.
No, 212.
Mac 212 makeup brush. And I believe this is for the concealer. I am not sure. But yeah, we're going to be using the Tarte. This is basically the part where you save your messes on your eyebrows that you did with the eyebrow gel. And it looks more like sharp, you feel me? Yeah, you guys feel me. You guys know what's up. Y'all know what's... Oh, you look so sharp or whatever.
Oh my gosh, Cherry, look what happened, what you did to my hair.
What did I do to your hair?
You touched it too much. Oh my god. Your pinky poked my eye. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
We out here poking eyes, you feel me?
Oh my goodness. Oh. Cherry. Saliva.
It's red.
We are gonna be doing a Philippines giveaway because we're gonna be traveling there in a few months for my cousin's wedding. So if you are from the Philippines and you would like for me to do a giveaway, make sure to comment down below where you're from.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe we should do a little get to know me. What do you think?
For sure, girl.
So guys, I moved in here in the United States when I was 14 or 15 from the Philippines. So it's been quite a while now.
I don't know if you put it...
Probably about more than a decade now. Ooh, alright.
Sister. Alright, I don't know how to blend that in. So now that we're not fully done with the eyebrows, but we kind of got the shape, we're now going to move on to the foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Giorgio Armani. And this Luminous Silk Foundation.
The last time that I was in the Philippines, when was that, Cherry Pie?
Probably when I was like 4.
So damn, how long ago was that? How many years? So more than 5 years. right?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe more than 5 years. I miss the Philippines so much. Just the people, the food, how, you know, your $5 can go a long way. My favorite is the isaw. Oh my goodness. Do you like isaw?
What is that?
It's the chicken intestines. You've eaten it before.
I think it's good. I don't know. I don't remember.
The last time we went there, her favorite was taho.
Can you look up, please?
Oh, sorry. Wait, do that again.
No, you're supposed to put foundation up there.
Lakasan mo ang boses mo.
Okay. Anyways.
Oh, okay. That's too loud.
You said to like make my voice louder.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna take like many years, but
It's gonna take many years.
yes.
Ooh. Ooh, she blended.
She blended or whatever.
So, Cherry, when you went to the Philippines, what were your favorite things to do there?
Probably one of my favorite things to do at the Philippines was always eat taho. Taho is probably one of the best desserts I've ever tasted in my whole entire life.
So it's not
from the
halo-halo?
Philippines. Well, halo-halo's second. Halo-halo is basically ice cream. And it's like
Ice. With ice cream. It's not really ice cream.
it's just really
It's like shaved ice.
with like a little, you know, dressings and all that stuff.
Dressing like a salad. You know?
Wait, no.
Salad dressing.
Wait, no, ew.
Next time when I give you halo-halo, I'm gonna put salad dressing.
No! What's your favorite memory?
Well, I have a lot. I grew up in the Philippines. I went to school over there. Probably just, you know, like playing with our neighbors. I feel like nowadays people are so into their cell phones. My lips too?
Yes, because you know when you put the lipstick.
You gotta tell them what you're doing.
So, foundation on her face, you know. Just joking, I'm not gonna do that. Yay, we're, I think, kind of complete. So this primer is from MAC. This is called Soft Ochre.
Soft ochre. Soft ochre.
Okay,
Soft
okay,
ochre.
anyways, sorry. So we're gonna be using this primer from MAC, and this is called Soft Ochre. Alrighty. Oh, that's a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna put that on the lid, you know. It's a lot. You know, you gotta make it light.
What happened to you? I'm gonna make it light.
So now that we're done, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette.
Riviera.
So, sister is pigmented. She's flawless. So the color that I'm trying to go for is with like purple, pinkish, you know, a little bit of glitter status. So I'm going to be using they. So I'm going to be.
I'm gonna using they cans.
So we're going to go on the upper lid first, following the brow bone. And now we're going to just drag that all the way down. We're now going to be taking the Bahamas. I'm surprised, I'm doing really good now. You're going to be so proud of me. Wow.
Guys, if there's anything that you would like to know about me, comment it down below. That way I can put all your questions together and maybe do a separate video to answer all the questions that you guys may have.
So now we're going to be moving on into the eyeliner. Don't have good experience with this. But anyways, we're going to be using the Kat Von D eyeliner. As you may know by watching my mom's videos, she uses this thing a lot.
The ice maker. He did again.
And then drag it down like what my mom said in her last video.
So you do watch my video. You said you don't watch my video.
So now that we got the glue on the lashes, we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit and just wait till the glue is kind of transparent, you know. Watch my mom's videos one time.
She be watching.
So I'm going to be using this lipstick from MAC. It's called Pop Babe.
Pop Babe.
On her lips.
How do you guys like it? Does it look good?
So now that we're done with her lips, we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour in the shade Chestnut.
Contour that double chain, girl.
Now she looks like Pinocchio. We're now going to be blending this in. And for the forehead, I like to do a down motion. So now that we're done contouring her face, we're going to be going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to bake. I guess that's what beauty gurus say. Bake. Now that it's done baking, I'm going to be... I
think I inhaled some of that powder.
I think you did. Boom, she snatched. Okay. I put that where we added the, the glitter section. You know where we put that? You know where we put that, yeah. So after this, we're going to be using the Nylon Eyeshadow by MAC. And we're going to put that right on the corners of her eyes. And possibly like, little shine on her nose.
Okay.
For this part, highlighter. This step is what people usually go crazy on. So what I'm going to be using for her highlight is by Bobbi Brown, and it's the Highlight and Glow. I'm going to be using this rose goldish color on her cheeks.
Do you see it?
Yes. So the blush that I'm going to be using is by MAC, called Warm Soul. And that will complete your finished look.
Alright, let's see the final look. I'm excited. Wow. I mean, that's colorful.
Stop being fake.
You know. How do you guys like it? Look at that eyeliner though. The eyeshadow, amazing. I think I'm gonna keep this makeup on until the next day. That way I can drop you off to school like this. What do you guys think? Cherry, what do you think? Is it dropping off your daughter to school worthy?
No, it's not worthy of dropping.
Look at that lashes. Alright, you did a good job.
I like the glitter.
You did a good job, Cherry Pie. Alrighty guys, let's do a slow-mo.
Your legs.
So now we're gonna be announcing the winner for our Huda Beauty palette, and the winner is
Carolina Gutierrez.
I'm gonna send you a private message. That way I can send you out your brand new Huda Beauty palette. And for those who didn't win this time, don't be disappointed. I'm gonna have more giveaways, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel.
And please make sure you like this video and comment down below what you want us to do next. And also, turn that notification button so you know when my mom posts, another makeup video. Alrighty
guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.